So if you're wondering what a VLOOKUP function is, it's basically a function to look up and retrieve data from a specific table. For example, you could see I have a table here and different columns with products and its code and its price as well. So suppose I'm gonna take an example. Let me look. I'm gonna take watches. You could see its price 450. You could find its price since it's a very small table. But imagine the given table and the data is huge. Well, at that time it would be difficult and hence we use this function called VLOOKUP function. So for now, I'm going to take laptop as my VLOOKUP value. In this table, what it will do is it will find out the product and which column value do you want. Do you want this value or this value or this value? So that value number we have to give it. Well, I'm pretty sure showing you an example would clear it up. So let's see how. For that, you have to put equal to symbol and type VLOOKUP. As I said earlier, our lookup value is laptop. So I'm just going to click on laptop. Now you have to put a comma and you could see table array. Well, our table is just here. So just select the table and click on enter. Now put a comma and you could see column index number. So for column index number, choose the column which you want. I'm going to choose 4 since I need the price of the product. So put 4, then a comma. Now you could see approximate match or exact match. We all need exact match. For exact match, put 0. Now I'm going to put 0 and close the bracket. Now just press on enter and you could see the price of the laptop. Okay, let's see. What if I change the product name to something else? So I'm changing from laptop to cosmetics. Well, if I change to cosmetics and press enter, you could see it is 120, which is absolutely right. Well, this covers a simple example of how to use Excel's VLOOKUP function. So we have seen the price of certain products. Now I think I'm gonna go to check the product code of few products. So I'm gonna erase the old functions I have done. I'm gonna just backspace it all. So I have erased it all. Now I'm gonna put an equal to symbol and type VLOOKUP and just press enter and you could see the lookup value. Our lookup value is cosmetic, so just click it, put a comma, and now you could have just select the table. Now put the comma again. Instead of the fourth column, I'm going to put the second column since I'm doing product code. So put 2 and put a comma, and now we have to make the exact match. So for that, click 0 and close the bracket. Now just click on enter and you could see 1004, which is the exact product code of cosmetic 1004. Okay, now let me change the cosmetic to a different product. I think I'm gonna go with laptop. So when you type laptop and enter, you could see it's 1006, which is the correct product code of laptop. Now we have done product code and price, so I think I'm gonna go with quantity. So as I done the earlier ones, I think I'm gonna erase everything, just backspace it all, and I hope you all know what to do next. Just click on equal to, type VLOOKUP, and our lookup value here is top. And now we have to select the table. Once you select the table, comma, now the next column I'm going to use is column number 3, which is the quantity of each products. So I'm just going to put 3, comma, exact match. For that I'm going to put 0. Now closing the bracket and keeping it enter, we could see exactly the product quantity is 1. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and follow us and share this video with your friends.